Despite the entire cryptocurrency market being destroyed right now, Zcash is rising, and it is rising fast. You guys can see that this is one of the most beautiful graphs. This is an inspiration to the cryptocurrency world right now, and we're going to be diving into this graph absolutely. We're going to be talking about Zcash and as it attempts a breakout as selling eases 85%. Are we ready for a new rally? I'm going to tell you right now, over the last 2 to 3 days here, the chart is saying yes. Let's talk about what the analysts are saying, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now, I do want to say thank you guys for watching this video, but I want to make it very, very clear, okay? YouTube is updating their policy on cryptocurrency, and this is an educational video only. I do not recommend going out there and buying cryptocurrency. I do not recommend going out there and doing anything that YouTube wouldn't like you to do. But I am going to bring you opportunities. I am going to talk about the news. I am going to educate you about cryptocurrency while adhering to all of the other policies and not promoting scams or harmful behavior. So with that, you still make your decisions. YouTube doesn't believe that you do. But you are making your decisions. I am providing the information, and then of course you can go from there on what you believe is best. Zcash has been performing phenomenally. Now, if we go to the rest of the cryptocurrency market right now, we can see that that is the opposite of what is happening. Bitcoin down 6%, a 9% decline over the last 7 days. Guys, 9% for Ethereum, 14% for Solana. We are watching hundreds of billions of dollars over the last couple of days being utterly wiped out of crypto. It is, look at this, it's nothing but red, okay? Everything is in the red except Zcash. Zcash is up 12% over the last 24 hours. It is down just slightly over the last 7 days, and as you can see, that pullback is right here from $750 to $595. This little pullback to the, what is it, the 20-day exponential moving average here, which provided beautiful support, has held up, and we are beginning the rally again. So let's talk about what these analysts are saying here. It says, is this a new rally? Zcash was down just slightly, but after a 3-month gain of 1,278%, the price cooled down. Now, at the time, selling pressures collapsed by 85%, which is not obvious at first glance. The combination has created the first signs that Zcash might try to restart a larger move despite the recent pullback, and it is on its way. Guys, we are ready to hit a not an all-time high, because back in 2017 into 2018, the price was slightly higher. But these are the highest prices that we have seen since the beginning of 2018. It says, Zcash has spent the last week forming a falling flag after the sharp rally from late October. Now, a falling flag is a short corrective pattern that often appears after a long upward move. Price is now pushed above the flag's upper trend line, but the breakout is not confirmed yet. For the move to gain strength, Zcash needs to close above the daily 537, and that is exactly what it has done today. You guys can see this candle right here. Okay, yesterday's candle was right around that 530 area. Today's candle confirms that that flag has been broken out of. Today's candle confirms what we're seeing these analysts look for. It says the broader trend remains healthy because the recent low stayed above the previous major low, and this was supported by the RSI. The Relative Strength Index measures the speed of price changes, and it's formed a hidden bullish divergence. Between October 22nd and November 7th, Zcash has made a higher low, but the RSI has made a lower low, and it is obvious that people are buying. Guys, if you look at the overall cryptocurrency market right now, we do have a lot of very positive fundamentals. Okay, you've got ETFs that are coming out, institutions that are loading up. You've got brand new companies being formed like the Winklevoss and the recent investment in cypherpunks to go out and acquire as much Zcash as possible in that treasury company. You've got various treasury companies, but on top of that, you've got lower interest rates, a government that is reopening here in the United States. You've got so many positive catalysts that are coming to be right now. But fear is driving prices lower. Guys, I would not be surprised if we soon tick below a level of 20, extreme fear. And with that, a bottom is usually hit and buyers begin to buy. So that is what I choose to do. But I'm getting ahead of them. I am buying and I am accumulating before the market gets greedy. I'm not going to sit here and wait for prices to be at new all-time highs before I jump in. Now, one of the places that I do hold cryptocurrency is Best Wallet. So make sure to check this out. You got a link for it down in the description below. It is a free wallet. You guys can use it on both Google Play and the Apple App Store. Your keys, your crypto, all of that good stuff. And I'm also accumulating tokens like Bitcoin Hyper. Bitcoin Hyper's already done over $27 million in its ICO. And I know ICOs might be on the back burner right now, and that's because fear is so relevant in the market. But opportunity is around every corner. I choose to accumulate. I choose to ignore the fear. I choose to invest. I want to know what you guys choose to do. Let me know down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.